Mad Brad. Shout out to Blurry Vision, bro. Keep it real. Demons don't shine in the night, alright. Too much shade got you smelling like that pine, alright, alright. Yeah, I got that fine, alright. Smoke it every single night, alright. Demons don't shine in the night, alright. Too much shade got you smelling like that pine, alright. Yeah, I got that fine, alright. Smoke it every single night, alright. Yo, grab me the lighter and spark up the fire. I got the designer and I'm climbing higher. He looking tired, he just got fired while I was getting higher. Goddamn, all this caffeine's got me feeling wired. I acquired, better retire, and now I'm shining brighter. And I'm hotter than the sun. Do you see me looking up? 12 gauge when I popped up with the pump. Left his ass slump, damn. I think he's had enough, I'ma run it up. Mathematical, I gotta sum it up. Keep my budget up, stay flipping. Down with the sickness, that dope got a mention. It's not in his system, I told him, but he didn't listen. I'm not insisting on no intervention. Fuck that, pop it like suspension. Oh, we in there. Yeah, here we go. Demons don't shine in the night, alright. Too much shade got you smelling like that pine, alright. Yeah, I got that fine, alright. Smoke it every single night, alright, alright. Demons don't shine in the night, alright. Too much shade got you smelling like that pine, alright. Yeah, I got that fine, alright. Smoke it every single fucking night, alright, alright. I got the gas up in the trunk, fuck his bitch up in the back of the truck. Then that foreign started pulling up, I think I'm scoring way too much. I got the fire, he got it from us. Isn't that my desire? Pack up the weight like I'm packing the lunch. They slacking too much, money long like a bus. I'ma keep elaborating, got them on the actuator when I'm insinuating on the illustration. Sometimes you just gotta stick to the basics. Hit them with that static shot, then eliminate them. Exaggerations really got me irritated. So much liquor and I'm inebriated. You cannot stop a Super Saiyan. I'm playmaking, straight paper chasing. And for your information, I got the accurate placement. Y'all can't stop me, I'm going crazy. So wavy, so fucking high to the sky, dividing between the vines, all between the lies. It's behind the eyes, realize the subject change, get some change, and then I start to get some range like I'm Curry in the game. Got the 30 on me and I'm not worried in the bay. Yeah, you know I keep it on me, bro, that's every day. And if I slay, you know I come and perpetuate. And I don't give a fuck, man, I'm here like every day. Shout out Blurry Vision, baby. Keep on doing your thing. We gonna collaborate here soon, bro. Don't worry about it. It's on Mad Brad every day. Remix, Blurry Vision. Keep it up, man. You know what's up, man.